Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, leather upholstery. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.